Assalamualaikum class, Miss Sajida Rashid here, MPhil Zoology, Biology lecturer. Today with FSC Part 2, lecture number 5, chapter number 25, Ecosystem continued. Today topic of discussion is processes in ecosystem and interaction between biotic and abiotic components. Ecosystem के biotic और abiotic components के between interaction पे हमने discussion करनी है. Before starting this discussion, we have to know about three main components of an ecosystem. Today, three main components of an ecosystem we have to discuss. First of all, producers, consumers and decomposers. First one, producers. As indicated by its name, produce their food itself. Producers are those organisms which can prepare their food itself within their bodies, are the green photosynthetic plants which capture and bring light energy into ecosystem. Environment से ecosystem से light energy को, sunlight को absorb करते हैं, capture करते हैं अपने green plants में और वहाँ पे photosynthesis का procedure fulfill करते हैं और इसी तरह अपनी food खुद prepare करते हैं. Example इनमें आ जाएगी green plants की. After that, consumer are all the organisms, primarily animals, which obtain energy directly or indirectly from the producers. अब कंज्यूमर जो है वो अपनी फूड खुद सिंथेसाइज नहीं करते, अपनी खुराक खुद प्रिपेयर नहीं करते, वो अपनी खुराक इनटेक करते हैं कहाँ से? फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड कंज्यूमर्स और इनमें एग्जांपल्स आ जाएगी एनिमल्स की. Now third, decomposer. Decomposer mean decompose. They decompose different dead organic material and obtain their food from this procedure. Are the mainly bacteria and fungi. Decomposer में examples आ जाएंगी bacteria and fungi की, which obtain their energy from the dead and decaying plants and animal. वो डेड और डिकिंग मैटर से अपनी फूड कैप्चर करते हैं, अपनी फूड इनटेक करते हैं बाय द प्रोसीजर ऑफ डिकम्पोजिंग. ये अपनी खुराक खुद प्रिपेयर नहीं करते और दूसरों से किस वे में, किस प्रोसीजर में, कौन सी फॉर्म में ऑब्टेन करते हैं बाय द प्रोसीजर ऑफ डिकम्पोजिंग. दे डिके ऑन देयर फूडिंग प्रोसीजर डिपेंड ऑन डेड एंड डिकेइंग मटेरियल्स. आफ्टर दैट there is a short question, also a long question of 4 marks. Write the three main components of an ecosystem. How many components of an ecosystem? There are three main components of an ecosystem: producers, consumers and decomposer. This is long question as well as short question. After that, food chain, that is short question. Write a note on food chain. What is food chain? The relationship among different trophic levels in the form of chain in an ecosystem is called food chain. The transfer of energy in the form of chain in an ecosystem is called food chain from lower level to higher level in an ecosystem. For example, grass is eaten by insect eaten by bird like eagle, and eagle eaten by another higher trophic level. This is an example of food chain. After that, food web. This is also a short question. Define food web. What is food web? Food web mean jal, complex food chain. The combination of many food chain is called food web. Another definition, the collection of different food chain in an ecosystem is called food web. Today, chapter number 25, further topics: processes in an ecosystem and interaction between biotic and abiotic components. environment के living components और non living components का आपस में हमने communication, interaction, coordination पे बात करनी है. First of all, today we have to discuss three main components of an ecosystem. I repeat it again. First one, producers, जो अपनी खुराक खुद प्रिपेयर करते हैं. These are called producer और इसमें examples आ जाएंगी green plants की. आफ्टर दैट, कंज्यूमर, जो अपनी खुराक खुद प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते बल्कि ऑलरेडी प्रोड्यूसर की सिंथेसाइज फूड को कंज्यूम करते हैं. दैट्स वाई दीज आर कॉल्ड कंज्यूमर्स और इसमें एग्जांपल्स आ जाएगी एनिमल्स की. After that, decomposer डिके एंड डेड ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल की डिकम्पोजिंग के प्रोसीजर से अपनी खुराक एंड फूड इनटेक करते हैं एंड एग्जांपल विल बी बैक्टीरिया एंड फंजाई. After that, short question, what is food chain? Define food chain, the relationship among different trophic level in an ecosystem for the transfer of energy from lower level to higher level is called food chain. जैसा कि ग्रास को इंसेक्ट खाता है, इंसेक्ट को फर्दर एक बर्ड खाएगा, बर्ड को फर्दर हायर ट्रॉफिक लेवल एंड सिमिलरली सो ऑन. दिस विल बी कंटिन्यूड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड चेन. आफ्टर दैट, फूड वेब. What is food web? Define food web. This is also a short question. The combination of many food chain is called food web. Another definition, the collection of different food chain in an ecosystem is called food web. So this was our topic. I hope so you understand. See you again in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.